Welcome to Mimi Daily English. We invite you to come and learn with us.
Dad, tonight has a special PES match.
Oh, wow. Then I must join you.
I want to try my best team tonight.
Good. But my plan will beat you easily.
Last time, you two shouted so loud. I couldn't finish my homework, remember?
After 10 o'clock, the game must stop. Mimi has an early class tomorrow.
Of course. I promise, my dear.
Yes, Mom. I promise too. Dad, maybe one tiny match later?
I'm so sleepy, honey.
Me too. I need my bed now.
Really? That is very early.
Yes. I need to go to bed now. Go to sleep later, Grace.
I just feel tired today. Good night, guys.
Okay. Good night, everyone. Sleep well.
Okay. It's 1 a.m. Secret match time.
Hey, Leo. Over here. Come.
We did it, Dad.
Low sound. No shouting. Deal?
Deal. I can be quiet.
Kick off. Play smart, buddy.
Look! My striker is so fast! Oh! That was so close! What a save!
1-0. Dad is still the king.
Not for long, Dad. Goal! 1-2-1.
Okay, now I'm really trying.
Last minute, Dad. Don't blink.
Stay back! Stay back! Protect the goal!
What a hit! Come on!
Wait. Did I just score?
Leo!
I won! I won the match!
Watch out.
Oh no, that was too loud.
Uh-oh. Bite. We wake the whole street.
What is going on?
Why are you playing football at midnight? We played one secret match.
You both promised to stop at 10. have class early tomorrow. I really need sleep.
You're right. I made a bad choice.
I'm sorry. I forgot about everyone.
First, clean this mess. Then go to bed.
Fun is okay, but don't disturb other people. You two mustn't play the game for a week.
Then, if you two play again, small cheers only, please.
We learned it. Play fair, stay calm, and think of others. See you next time.
Whatever you do, always try not to disturb other people.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to be careful.